Two-valve Mustang GTs seem to get a lot of attention. People seem to either love them or hate them. Today I'm here to talk about why the new Edge 2-valve GT is still an awesome car, because two valves matter. In 1994, the SN95 Mustang brought many upgrades, including a more modern interior and exterior, ABS, four-wheel disc, and retro styling. What it did not bring was more power. The 5.0 V8 was largely unchanged for 94 and 95, and the long-awaited modular engine was disappointing, especially in two-valve form. The two-valve GT's 205 horsepower was not up to par with the F-Body's new LS1 making 305 horsepower, but it was an arguably more comfortable car and actually outsold the Camaro over 2-1. Even in 1998, when Ford bumped horsepower figures up to 225, performance people begged for more. In 1999, Ford introduced a slightly redesigned Mustang with sharper body lines, better aligned with the company's New Edge line of cars. These cars appeared arguably harder looking and tougher looking than the soft curved lines of the 1994 to 98 SN95 cars. Under the hood was where the real update mattered. A new intake manifold and performance-improved cylinder heads bumped power up 35 horsepower from the 1998 models up to 260 horsepower. Torque also rose from 290 to 302 foot-pounds. For the first time in forever, Mustang GTs were solidly back in the 14-second ET range, with many owners dipping into the high 13s. Considering that many 96 to 98 two-valves were running nearly a second slower, this was a welcome improvement. Although this was not enough to keep up with the LS1 F-Body, it was a big step in the right direction and showed Ford's commitment to the pony car wars. All in all, the new Edge Mustangs offer a modern exterior and interior that still looks good after nearly 20 years on the market. Even though the power level is not quite what today's modern muscle car can deliver, they still have enough power and torque to throw you back in the seat and light up the tires. Add in that throaty V8 rumble and you got a solid platform for modifications or just to enjoy as is. What do you think? Do you like the new Edge Mustangs and think they are sometimes getting a bad rap? Or do you think that Ford missed the mark on the new Edge? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching.